Before we design our system, we have to analyze or estimate how many requests or what's the workload our system should handle. So the first of all, we should assume that we have 3,000 people active user a day. So this 3,000 is just my assumption. We can do 5,000 or 10,000 a day. It depends on our system. So for now, we have 3,000 active user a day. The first things we have to estimate is our searching feature. So on the platform, people can search the question they want to do, or by the name or by ID number, the question number. So here the purpose is that we want to know how many requests per second that our system should handle. So first of all is searching request. So let's say we for each day we have 3,000 people use our product, and we assume 90% of them will use search function, and 10% probably they just go to our website and just leave right away. So 3,000 times 90%, it means we have this number of people who do the search, and we assume that they will do the search. Each person will do 5 times search per day. So after we calculate all of this, 13,500 will be the total request per day. So here, so it's a each day we have 13,500, but we want to calculate to second per second. So we divide 86,400, which is the total seconds a day. So here we got the answer 0.16 is each second we will get this number for search and request. And the third one, the most important thing, one each system, we might think about they have like a really big time. For example, when during the Christmas, Amazon will have their peak time. So in our system too, we have to time we just timestamp, and it's gonna be 1.6. So here is the peak time, and 0.16 is the average time our system should handle per second for searching feature. Second thing is editing. So this one is when people type their code, they will edit their code right here. And at the same time, when I edit the code, probably my friends or the other collaborator, they will also see my update. So this is the thing we have to consider. So first of all, we have 3,000 people right here. Let's assume each people will spend an hour on our platform, and with times 60 and 60, it means we just change this second. So the total number of the time, or we can say it divided by 86,400. The line right here means each second we have 125 users concurrently using or edit the platform. So here we got a number 125. So at the same time, so some for the 50% right here is that probably people will not just keep typing. They need a time to think. So we times 50%. It means half the people who are probably just thinking, and the 50% is actually input their answer. Right here, the 10 right times 10, it means when I edit the code, it, it will get a request. It will send a request for edit. But when we send a request to the server, the other thing is that the server have to update the other collaborator. So we just do the assumption that 10 is the thing that the server have to do. So we got a 625. After we got this number, It's the average time we just calculate. At the same time, the same as last section, is that we have to think about our peak time to handle our workload. So we times 10 here. So this one, 6,250 is the peak time. So it means we got each second we will get 6,250 requests per second at the peak time. So next one is submitting request. So here we got, here is the number that 125 is right here. We calculate concurrent user per second. So here we have 125 people are editing per second. So the, but not everyone will submit their code. So here we just say 2% of the people will hit submit. And one right here is that each second you can only submit one time. So we times one here. So we got an average number of 2.5. Same as previous one, we have to handle our peak load. So we times 10 right here. So it's going to be 25. So this is the estimation about how our system should handle the workload. Thanks so much.